Hi! Today is a really special day because we're invited by Disney to preview the brand new Bluey experience at Disneyland before the public. So if you have a Bluey fan in your house, you are going to watch this whole video so you get the tips and tricks. And so if you know if it's a worthwhile experience for your next Disneyland trip. So before we get to our Bluey event, I just want to tell you a little bit about the channel. My name's Jamie. This is my youngest daughter, Claire.
Hi.
And I'm a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations. So if you are interested in a Disneyland vacation, make sure to contact me. Claire?
Yeah?
Claire, are you excited?
Yeah.
So for our Disneyland Bluey preview event, we actually get to go down and have breakfast in the convention center. So let's go. Okay, this is awesome.
I got some.
Look at this breakfast area. You excited to see Pluto?
Yeah. I love Pluto.
Yeah?
Yeah.
There's Minnie Mouse. Oh, she likes your bow. Oh! So cute. Okay, so we just got done with the most amazing breakfast and meet and greet with characters. Claire got that. And now we're going to be heading to the parks to check out Bluey's Best Day Ever and give you guys all the tips about the show and meet and greets. So let's go. Okay, this says welcome invited guests. Let's go check out. Claire's really excited about something coming up here. Amenity distribution. You gotta get a Bluey slipper. There's the Bluey slippers. Okay, we made it into the park. There is the Disneyland castle. We're at Disneyland. And we are heading now over to the Bluey Best Day Ever event. I'm so excited about this. It is in the Fantasyland Theatre. Okay, here we are for the family media preview. Bluey's Best Day Ever. How fun is that? Okay, Claire, are you excited? Claire, what's that? Oh my goodness, that is so cool. Look, Bingo's down there. Do we want to go down to the bottom? Okay, Claire.
In one of the episodes, these were things where you would dance around in the circle because the fairies were mad at Bingo and Bluey's dad. And Bluey's dad had to do the dance, the leprechaun dance.
What's the leprechaun dance? Can you show me? Do you want to show me some other stuff?
This is the fairies' house.
Is this the fairies' house?
Yeah.
What's this?
Campfire thing. It's from one of the episodes where Bluey found his best friend. I forget his name though.
Yeah.
The black Labrador.
Okay, Claire, what is this?
So this is from an episode where he was building a gnome city.
Yeah? Okay, can I say I just absolutely love that there's little characters on the side there that come up and they're like playing hide and go seek, and there'll be another one that kind of appears over here. It's so stinking cute. one really fun thing is there is activities, cast members playing with the kids, doing puzzles, matching games. My daughter is having an absolute blast hanging out and playing. It's so much fun. Hello, lovely.
Guess what time it is?
Can we go to the photo area?
And get food?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go get food. Claire, you are all ready to get the food, aren't you? Yeah. We do have some vouchers. So this is like a special watermelon drink, and we think it's from the carpet or the rug. Okay, you gonna try it? We have like, I was thinking it was gonna be coffee. It's like chocolate milk, isn't it? With sprinkles.
It's dark.
Dark chocolate? Do you like that? What is this, Claire? Oh, show me it!
Magic.
Oh my gosh!
It's a magic thing. This is chocolate.
That's chocolate?
It's such good. How did they make it green?
Oh.
Chocolate. It's half pretzel.
Oh my, it's a pretzel? No.
Yes, look.
Ooh, this drink is really refreshing and nice. This looks like kind of like a parfait. We have a potato, a baked potato from the pizza girls, right?
Yeah. And then this.
Okay, over here we have Bluey's class photo. This is a perfect photo op for you to do a picture with your family right now. So if you are planning a Disneyland trip, I would love to help you. I'm a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations, and my services are completely free. So you can contact me through email, jamiethomasshow@gmail.com, or through the website, www.clickthemouse.ca/JamieQuote. Good job.
I love it.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.